Hello everyone, it's Moy here. Today we are going to look at Sierra Leone's Ministry of Basic and Senior Secondary School Education Learning Passport, an online portal that offers students and teachers free past papers for NPSE, BECE, WASSCE across core and common subject. In addition, the portal has other content for various skills, including storybooks for early learners. To sign up and use the desktop version for free, open your browser and enter this URL. Click enter on your keyboard. On the home page of the Learning Passport, look on your left and click on Get Started. On the page that follows, you will be asked to enter your phone number. Enter your phone number in the space provided and click Next. To verify your number, the system will send you a 6-digit code. Retrieve the number from your cell phone and type it in the space provided and click on Submit. Next, you'll be prompted to complete your profile. Here, you can add your name, gender, and role. The other fields are optional. By this I mean you can still proceed without filling the other options, such as email, the current educational level, and age. Click on Get Started when you're done. Congratulations, welcome to your Learning Portal course library. From here, you can register for a course. To register for a course, click on the course and select Register. Once you are ready to begin your quiz, click on Get Start Quiz, and you are all set to complete your quizzes. Alternatively, you can download the mobile app on your Play Store or App Store. Open your App Store and type MBSSE Learning Passport and select the option with this logo. Click on Install to download the application. Once the installation is complete, open the application. Click Sign In. Again, you will be asked to enter your phone number in the space that the system will provide. Click Next when you are done. Enter the 6-digit number sent to you via text message. I just want to call out at this point that when you download the mobile application, you don't need internet connection to do your quizzes. And just like the desktop version, you can also register for courses. So once you're ready to register for a course, click on the course and select register, and then you are all set to start your quiz. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please share with students and teachers you know. If you would like to see similar content like this, please subscribe to my channel and click on the notification button. Thank you.